Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a refrigerator door closing cam on this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a T25 Torx bit, and lithium grease. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to detach the appropriate upper hinge cover. If replacing a left side door closing cam, you will now need to lift up the clasp and detach the dispenser water supply line. Disconnect the wire connector, if applicable, and unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Now, using the T25 Torx bit, unthread the two mounting screws securing the hinge. Have an assistant help to hold the door in place as you remove the hinge. If applicable, remove the left side hinge bushing to detach it from the wires and water tube. Detach the hinge itself from the wires and water tube if necessary. Have the assistant help you to lift the door off the center hinge and set the door aside. You can now use the small flathead screwdriver to help remove the old closing cam from the center hinge. To install the new door closing cam, fully seat the component on the hinge post. Apply a small amount of lithium grease to the cam. Now reinstall the refrigerator door by positioning it on the cam. If applicable, confirm the mullion heater flap is closed, then close the door and hold it in position. If required, feed the water tube through the upper door hinge, then push the wires through the slot in the hinge. Reinsert the wires and tube in the bushing, then insert the bushing into the upper hinge. Reposition the hinge on the door and cabinet and thread the two mounting screws to secure. Reconnect the wire connector, if necessary, and reattach the water supply line. Secure the grounding wire with the screw if required. Realign the hinge cover and thread the screw to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.